You want to make money online? Great, me too. There are tons of ways to do it. One platform I like is JVZoo. It connects people who have digital products with people who want to sell them. Think of it like a marketplace. You can be a seller or an affiliate. As an affiliate, you promote products you like. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. JVZoo is a great way to start earning online. It's simple to use and has a low barrier to entry. You don't need your own product, you just need to be good at marketing. Ready to learn more? Let's dive in. JVZoo is a platform for selling digital products. These products can be anything from ebooks and software to courses and memberships. It works like this. Vendors create products. They set the price and commission rate. Affiliates promote products. They use unique links to track sales. Customers buy products. They click on affiliate links to make purchases. JVZoo handles everything. They process payments and manage commissions. JVZoo makes it easy for everyone to make money. Vendors get their products in front of a larger audience. Affiliates earn money by promoting products they believe in. It's a win-win for everyone. JVZoo offers several benefits for both vendors and affiliates. For vendors, the platform provides a multitude of advantages that can significantly boost your business. Increased reach. JVZoo connects you with a large network of affiliates. This extensive network means your product can reach a wider audience than you might achieve on your own. This helps you get your product in front of more people, increasing the chances of making sales and growing your customer base. Automated system. JVZoo handles all the technical aspects of selling. This includes setting up your product, managing sales, and even handling customer support. This includes payment processing, affiliate tracking, and product delivery. You can focus on creating great products while JVZoo takes care of the rest. Higher conversions. JVZoo affiliates are incentivized to make sales. They earn commissions, so they are motivated to promote your product effectively. This often leads to higher conversion rates than other marketing methods. Affiliates use their marketing skills to drive traffic and convert leads into customers. For affiliates, easy to get started. You don't need any technical skills or experience to become a JVZoo affiliate. The platform is user-friendly and provides all the tools you need to start promoting products. Low startup costs. You don't need to create your own product or invest in inventory. This makes it accessible for anyone looking to start an online business with minimal investment. High earning potential. You can earn high commissions by promoting successful products. The more effort you put into your marketing strategies, the more you can earn. JVZoo is a powerful platform that can help you achieve your financial goals. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a full-time business, JVZoo offers the tools and support you need. Whether you're a vendor or an affiliate, there's money to be made on JVZoo. The platform's robust features and supportive community make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to succeed in online marketing. Know you've been a good friend. Section 4. Getting started with JVZoo, a step-by-step guide. Getting started with JVZoo is easy and straightforward. Just follow these simple steps to get up and running quickly. Step 1. Sign up for a free account. Go to the JVZoo website and click on the Sign Up button prominently displayed on the home page. Fill out the registration form with your details and verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Step 2. Complete your profile to make it more appealing. Add a professional photo and write a short bio that highlights your expertise and interests. This helps build trust with potential customers and partners, making them more likely to engage with you. Step 3. Browse the marketplace to find products that suit your niche. Look for products that interest you and that you think your audience would be interested in. Pay attention to product details and reviews. Step 4. Request to promote products that align with your audience's needs. Once you find a product you want to promote, click on the Request Approval button. The vendor will review your request. The vendor will review your request and approve or deny it. If approved, you can move to the next step. Step 5. Start promoting. Once you're approved, you'll get a unique affiliate link that tracks your referrals. Share this link on your website, social media platforms, or email list to reach a wider audience. That's it. You're now a JVZoo affiliate and can start earning commissions. Monitor your performance and optimize your strategies for better results. Section 5. Choosing the right products to promote. Choosing the right products to promote is crucial to your success on JVZoo. The products you select can make or break your marketing efforts, so it's important to be strategic. Here are a few tips to help you make the best choices. First, promote products you're passionate about. When you believe in what you're selling, it shows. Your enthusiasm will be contagious and will help you sell more products. Passion can be a powerful motivator for both you and your potential customers. Do your research. Read reviews, check out the sales page, and make sure the product is high quality. A thorough understanding of the product will enable you to market it more effectively. Look for products with high gravity. This metric indicates how well a product is selling on JVZoo. Gravity is a measure of how well a product is selling on JVZoo. The higher the gravity, the more popular the product is among affiliates. The higher the gravity, the more popular the product. Consider the commission rate as well. Make sure the commission rate is high enough to make it worth your time and effort. A good commission rate can significantly boost your earnings. By following these tips, you can choose products that will help you maximize your earnings on JVZoo. Remember, the right product can lead to greater success and higher profits. Section 6. Effective marketing strategies for JVZoo products. Promoting JVZoo products effectively is key to making money. Here are some strategies. Content marketing. Write blog posts, create videos, or record podcasts about the products you're promoting. Email marketing. Build an email list and send out regular newsletters promoting your affiliate products. Social media marketing. Share your affiliate links on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Paid advertising. Use paid advertising platforms like Google AdWords or Facebook ads to target your ideal audience. Experiment with different marketing strategies to find what works best for you and your audience. Remember, content is king, and building relationships is queen. Section 7. Conclusion and call to action. JVZoo offers an awesome opportunity to make money online. Whether you're a vendor or an affiliate, JVZoo provides a platform for success. It's easy to use, has low startup costs, and offers high earning potential. What are you waiting for? Sign up for a free JVZoo account today and start building your online business. The world of digital marketing awaits, and with platforms like JVZoo, success is just a click away.